Okay, the first thing we need to do before creating a Blogger account is search for Blogger. Okay, we'll click on the Blogger link. And once we're into the Blogger, we're going to need to sign in. Now, if you've already got a Gmail account, then you'll be able to automatically sign in using the credentials that you've got for your Gmail account. However, you might not have an account, so what you need to do is create an account. Okay, here you will fill in your details, put it in the right place, create a username and go through the sign up. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log in to your Blogger account. So I'm going to choose my account. Okay, I'm going to sign in. And you're going to be introduced here to your Blogger setup page. Now here on the left hand side you'll see new blog, so we're obviously going to be creating a new blog, so we click on new blog. Okay, we need to create a title for our blog. Now obviously for this assignment we are going to be calling it computer hardware and maintenance. So hardware and maintenance. Okay, and we need to specify an address. Now the address is where you'll be able to access and view your final blog. So in this case, I'm just going to give it a quick name. Okay, underneath there you'll see template. Now the template allows us to set up how your blog is going to look. For the moment, I'm just going to select simple and click create blog. Okay, as soon as we've created our Blogger account then, we're presented with this screen. This screen, you'll see that our new blog has now appeared, computer hardware and maintenance. Okay, on the right hand side of the screen just here, you'll see view blog. This will allow us to see a live version of the blog we have created. Okay, so if we click into there, you'll see at the moment we have no posts. So if we go back, we need to start creating the pages on our blog. So we click on the big red orange button here with a pen on it, which will allow us to create a new post. Okay, nice plain layout, nice and simple. You'll see at the top, we're given an opportunity to give a post title. So in this case, I'm going to create a page called installing a CPU. Okay. Now here you'll see it looks a lot like a Word. The layout is very simple, very easy, and very simple to set up. So I'm going to give myself a heading called installing a CPU. Okay, now it's plain and simple, so I'm going to make this look a little bit nicer. First things first, I'm going to create it as a heading. So we click the normal box here and select heading. Now what that's going to do is create a larger font and bold. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to center the text. Now much like Word, we've got left align, center, right align and fully justified. Now obviously as a title, I'm going to set this as centralized. I'm also going to do is add an underline. So there we go, we've got our first page set up, ready to go. Now I'm going to add a little bit of normal text now. So I'm going back to normal text, and I'm going to go back to left justify, and I'm going to put in here. Here is a video of me installing a CPU. Okay. So. Now the beauty of this is that we can easily install and link videos onto our posts. So here we've got the insert a video button that we can click. Now if we've created a video, the likeliness is that we've either got it saved to our computer or we've got it uploaded to YouTube. So first one then, we're going to select from YouTube here on the left hand side. Well, I created some videos earlier on in the year, so I type in the name of the video and click search. Here's the video I want. I select it Okay, and down at the bottom we click the select button. Now what that'll do is insert our video into our post. Okay, nothing more we can do here at the moment, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the save button, which is saved, and I'm also going to click publish. Once the video is published, we'll be presented with another screen. Okay, from this screen we'll see all the different pages that we've created. So at the moment we've only created the one page called installing a CPU. At the top of the screen we'll see view blog button. If we click the view blog button, it'll show us a live version of the blog that you've produced. So let's click on that and have a look. And here you'll see on the right hand side we've got an archive of the pages that we've created, and you'll see installing a CPU. Now installing a CPU, it's given us our header, our description, and it's also inserted the video directly from YouTube. So we can click play and the video will appear on the screen. With our main screen, and we're going to create a post title as before. In this case I'm going to call it setting up a default printer. Okay, first things first then, as before I'm going to create a title. So again, under heading, a default printer. Again, I'm going to underline that and align it in the center. Okay, so we've got a title for the page. Going back to normal text, remove the bold and go back to left align. Okay, so here we're going to be typing the information that's required for the assignment. So in this case, I'm going to firstly insert an image. Okay, so same as before, where we click the video button, we're also going to click insert image. Okay, nice and simple. We've got the upload option here, and we've got the ability to choose files. Okay, I have all my files saved in a folder called screenshots, and firstly I'm going to select that image. Okay, select it as before and click add selected. Now what that'll do is insert the image into the screen. Now again, we've got lots of options. We could choose whether it's small, medium, large, extra large, original size, whether we left align it, right align it, add captions. But at the moment, I'm just going to increase the size of that so it's easier to see. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of text to this to explain what it is I'm doing. So to set a default printer, firstly, you need to access the control panel. Okay, so that's our first part. That's the explanation of our first screen. We've got an image of, a screenshot of the control panel, and we're explaining what it is that's being shown in the image. Next, we need to select the devices and printers option. Okay. We'd now insert an image of that particular screenshot. So again, we go back, choose files, the image that we want, in this case default printer, click OK. The image uploads, we select it and add selected again. Okay, once again I'm going to click that and increase the size. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit more text explaining exactly what it is that I'm doing. So once inside devices and printers option, we need to right click the printer and select the set as default option. Okay, so basically what we've done, we've provided 2 screenshots, and what we've done is annotated each screenshot explaining exactly what it is and what we've done. Okay, so as before, I'm going to save this, so up to the save button at the top, and then again I'm going to click publish. By clicking publish, it's going to take us back to our main page, and you'll see that we've got a new page that's been created. Up at the top, we're going to view blog just to make sure that it looks okay. And you'll see that what we've created appears. Now once in the blog, if we want to view that image larger, we can left click on it, and it'll show us the full screen that we've created.